There, now we got 3 of them. That's good. Ooh, that's even better. There you go. She was like, Dad, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, I'll pause.
Are you calling anyone? Maybe tomorrow, because maybe I should feed her right now.
Okay, because it's not working on this phone anyway.
Oh. Oh, bless you. God bless you. That was the most dainty little sneeze.
That might be a little bit of an irritate. It's just sailing now. Is that okay? Yeah. Take that off. That's much nicer to walk around with. Okay. And then,
Oh, she's frantic now.
I see the camera too.
It's frantic. She's frantic. Oh, there you got it. There you got it. Uh-oh. 1, 2.